before we get started, I want to fill you in on a Bible verse. This Bible verse is coming from Matthew 6:20, and it reads, "But store up for yourselves treasures in heaven, where moths and vermin do not destroy, and where thieves do not break in and steal." Christ commanded his disciples and followers not to mindlessly stockpile material possessions. Worldly goods can easily be lost to thieves and natural forces. Every treasure here, meaning money and objects, that can be stockpiled on earth is temporary. Jesus tells us to focus instead on stockpiling treasures in heaven. These rewards are eternal. They cannot be lost to moths, rust, thieves, or anything else. Our hearts and our sincerity towards God matter most of all. So having wealth is not a problem until we start to prioritize it over godliness. Rewards from God are more than just experiencing his favor in a moment of this life. That was Matthew 6:20, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, thank you, sweetheart. Hey, I know I look crazy right now, but I need to go wash my hair. Today's vlog is gonna be everywhere. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because I don't know what to do. I'm washing my hair, blow drying it, and from there, I might just straighten up my room, and yeah. Anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. Okay, I got my hair washed and blow dried. Ooh, excuse me. Now, I'm gonna straighten my room. There's like water bottles. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. There's water bottles on my floor. Okay. There's clothes, shoes. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's not a mess. I just need to get the water bottles out of here. Should I show y'all? I don't know. I'm not embarrassed or anything. This is what the floor looks like. I'm gonna just do a quick cleanup and everything. Just getting straightened up. I need to, and then might rearrange my Legos. I haven't rearranged them in like a month, a good month. Yeah.